Had a way to make it work and find another route.
Grand Rising and cheers. Have a cup of coffee with me, please do. So I learned how to prop y'all up on my little wooden board in here. But anyway, happy day, y'all. Happiest day. What is today? Today is, I think, Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday, November, hold on y'all, 16? Something like that, I don't remember. But I brought y'all in here because we're gonna get ready for today. We're gonna do our video today. So I was like, well, Sonia, you can bring them along what you do in the morning before you get ready to leave out. Y'all know I don't do much. So we're gonna start with this little, I don't know, I call it like a, whatever they do like this. I do that. I forgot what they call this. Y'all know what that is. A contour or what? You put a little thing right there. Okay? That's all I do. That right there. Then I'll get a little bit of this pink, just a little bit. And I just put it across my cheek area. Sometimes I just mix them all. I'm not doing too much. I'll show y'all in a minute. It's not doing too much. You barely can see I got anything on. Like, really. If you can see anything, I'm really surprised. So today, what are we talking about today, y'all? We're talking about being single and satisfied. You know, we're going to continue on that. I think that'll be a great topic on my channel, I believe. What is that? Oh, this hair. This hair is shedding. I've been using the Botana oil though, y'all. I have been using the Botana oil. And I think it's okay. I haven't rinsed it out. You know how they say rinse it out? I have not been rinsing it out. Y'all, I've had this for a long time. This is the, I don't know. Y'all tell me if y'all can see it. But that's what I'm using. I even added a little bit of water and coconut oil. Not coconut oil. Water and castor oil in it. Okay? Just to, you know, get it to expand a little more. Okay? So y'all, that's the look. That is the look. And then I'll show y'all outfit of the day. And then we're going to get started with the video. Okay? I just stopped the video like y'all really seen the look. So this is my look. But the hair has been holding up pretty good since, that's been about a week and a half ago, or maybe close to 2 weeks that I've did this, but yeah. So this is my look, y'all. Okay, nice and easy. So let's go see outfit of the day. All right, y'all, so here is my outfit of the day. I just have on this cardigan that has like the splits on the sides. And you guys remember it's a split right there. You guys remember the Fashion Nova bodycon little cotton thing. And I got on these brown riding boots. These here. I think I showed y'all on the live that I found those for 99 cents. And yeah, I just got on my Oura ring, my 2-stack chains here, and my other little ring. It's not a wedding ring, y'all. Okay, it's just got silver, gold, and another color of gold. And then you guys see me do my makeup, and yeah, let's go ahead and sorry guys, but let's go ahead. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get into the video. And yeah, all right. So hold the line. We'll be right back in a second. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sonia, and I'm your host of Simply Natural Black Life, where we do real life vlogs. There's not too much editing that goes into it. It is just me and the camera, me showing you guys part of my life, okay? Well, I'm not even gonna say part of it. Probably 90% of my life, to be honest with you. But anyway, today's topic is being single and satisfied. So I just wanna let you guys know, I just wanna let you guys know right now, this is just me and my opinion. You can do, and you can date, and you can live, and you can do whatever you want. But as for me, because someone asked me to touch on the topic. If you don't know, I was married for 9 years. I enjoyed being married. And I still enjoy being married, okay? I have always lived my life as a married woman. And that come from seeing my grandma live, seeing my mom, how she lived and carried herself. So I still have those desires, but I'm not desperate. By no means is this girl here desperate. And a lot of people always say, you're single. Oh God, you're so beautiful. You're in shape, this and that. It doesn't matter, guys, how beautiful you are, how much in shape you are, what kind of job status title you have, how many degrees you have. That does not matter. Okay. Men really don't care, first of all, about your status as far as degrees. What he care more is more about, are you going to properly love him the right way? Men don't really care about no degrees and stuff. I had to learn that the hard way, but it's the honest to God truth. A lot of women are not going to be honest with you. Some might, talk to some older women, or whatever, and some older, realistic, old school women in your family, if you can find them. Excuse me, if you can find them, because I believe in life that a lot of them don't exist anymore. The stories that I have to talk about with women, they're like, "Are you from here?" Of course I'm from here. You have to have morals and values and standards about yourself. And the more I desire to be with someone is the more of the time that I give to the Most High. I dedicate my life in the way that I live to the Most High. That way it can delegate, it can oversee how I might be, wanting someone, if you get what I'm saying. So therefore, when you do it that way, you keep yourself safe. You keep yourself away from harm, danger. I don't want to get on any websites to look for anybody, because I honestly believe that there is someone there for you. They are in the cut waiting. They're living the same lifestyle you're living, and they want to be loved just the way that you want to be loved. So just trust your gut that there is someone out there for you. You don't have to go searching. You don't have to listen to your girlfriends to get set up on dates. In this day and era and time, I don't even think it's safe anymore to go out on dates. If you meet someone generally, like in a grocery store, and you guys decide to like go somewhere and sit down, you drive yourself, he drives himself, maybe that could work out fine. And you constantly date them. You constantly talk to them on the phone. You constantly do things. Different times of the day you talk on the phone. You can hear and you can find out everything you need to know about someone, y'all. Like seriously, a lot of people don't take the time to really get to know someone. They want to jump in the sack. They want to test the waters. Ain't no testing no waters over here. I'm just letting you know now. Even if you're a YouTuber and you're trying to hook up with me, Ain't no testing no waters over here, honey. She don't test waters, okay? What my test is just testing that God gonna send that person for me, and he's gonna be okay. Um, so basically, being single and satisfied. I said a lot, right? Um, is being satisfied with yourself where you are at the moment in your life. Just continue to work on you and grow as a person, okay? By yourself without having anybody. Continue to cook, continue to clean, continue to be that loving woman, young lady that you desire to be, that you want to be. So you can be good for the person when he sends you that person. When you are connected to the Most High, and that person is connected to the Most High, I'm saying, y'all, without you telling him that you love God or you have that personal relationship, you don't have to say those things. They're going to know. They're going to know. You don't have to say anything of that nature. The person will truly understand and they will get it. So I hope I said something that was enlightening to someone out here that is searching or looking for someone. But in the meantime, while you're waiting, and no, you're not searching. But while you're waiting, I hope and pray that you are working on your inner self. Okay? Because we don't want you getting hooked up with the wrong person. We don't want you, you know, going to visit a man in his house. Don't ever do that. Do not do that. Do not go to no man's home by yourself. If he wants to date you, I believe in my heart, if he's genuine and he's a good man, a great guy, he's not even going to invite you to his home because he knows the times that we're living in, it's not safe and women are uncomfortable. That's another thing I wanted to say. You cannot do that. It's not safe for us. So, ladies, please, if you're single and stay satisfied until you come across that person genuinely, okay? It has to be genuine. It can't be I'm not even going to say matchmaker, because if you have good friends and your good friends really know how you are, they can tell that person what type of woman that you are. And if they have any friends that are interested, then hey, it might work out. But in the meantime, keep your legs closed. Okay? Keep your legs closed, keep your mouth closed, and just work on you and take care of yourself. Okay? This is 2025. We're trying to make it on to 2026, on 2028, 7, all of those until, the right person finds us. And without further ado, y'all, I'm going to end out this video. I hope I said something that caught your attention. Um, if you want me to talk about this a little bit more, I can do so. I'm not no pro. This is just my take on me being single and satisfied. Okay, guys, I'm going to let y'all go. Always remember to what? Love yourself. Love yourself, please, y'all, because you can't meet nobody in today's time. You don't want to put your baggage on someone else. So practice loving on yourself, okay? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. A lot of people, male and female, are in these relationships and they don't work, and they go to the next person. They'll take everything from that past relationship, put it onto the next, and that's not good. You got a lot of hurt people that are hurting other people. I'm not going to be one of those people that do that. I want to love that person because I love myself. Okay? All right, y'all. So until next time, bye. See you in the next one. Guys, I had to come back. This is a bonus to this video. I forgot to mention that. Remember in the video when my hair is different because I'm home now and I'm a little bit relaxed. But remember when I mentioned, talking about the Lord and things like that? Don't do that in a relationship. I'm going to share something with y'all, and y'all take this, just take the information and use it, okay? When you tell a man, oh, I'm living for God, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, that guy, that person, that man, that young man, whether you're older, younger, whatever, they're going to take everything you share with them, and they're going to be everything to you that you told them. So I'm sharing that with y'all because that is very, very important that you don't do that. I'm not saying that you don't tell them things about yourself, but you can leave that part out. Don't tell a person, now don't hide no lies or nothing like from them. You know, if you're going through something if you're just not equipped, you shouldn't be looking for nobody anyway today. But what I'm trying to say is, when you tell somebody, oh, you know, I go to church, I love God, they're going to act like they love God. They're going to talk about church, and the devil know the Bible too, back and forth and back. Okay? The enemy knows the word. So I just wanted to share that because I think that's very, 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 very important. A person will be everything they will be because you told them everything. You don't have to tell everything. This goes for a woman too. As a man, a woman will tell you the same thing, everything you're looking for. Oh, I cook, I clean. And you know good and well you don't cook or you clean. You don't even wash your behind like you're supposed to. Okay? So I'm just saying, I forgot all about this part, but I was like, I have to come back on and share this tidbit with them. So this is my 1-2. Hope you enjoyed and come along for the rodeo. All right, y'all. I'm out. Bye.